console shows an isometric view of the truck. It has interactive graphic that when you push the joystick forward and engage the truck bed, the bed on the picture will also go up and down. The screen is fully interactive. That's on the main homepage of the screen. There's 2 extra pages. One that has like a rear view camera, so you can look at the cameras on the rear bumper and see any rear traffic and people walking behind you and their proximity to the container. There's also a side mirror camera page that shows the wide angle lens cameras that are mounted on the side mirrors of the truck. So you can get a different perspective of how you're lining up with the container. And then the other feature that we have is a Preco sensor radar, which is mounted also on the back bumper alongside the cameras. And the radar has different zones, and you can program those zones to say from 0 to 6 feet from the rear bumper is the red zone, and if anybody walks in that zone, it's gonna flash on the screen and tell you like there's somebody in there, you need to stop. And then from 6 feet to 10 feet is the yellow zone, like there's somebody getting closer. And then green, that's the safe zone. It gives you kind of a warning as to when you need to be concerned, which is also tied to an alarm. So if somebody does get into that zone of concern, the alarm will start beeping. And then when you are on that reverse screen and the reverse cameras come up that you see in cars, you've got the guidelines. You've got the same thing here. It has like a red zone, orange zone, green zone. You can visually see that on the screen. Like I said, once you get into those zones, that will actually highlight those colors depending on what zone the person is in. And we've got it such that we'll be putting a steering sensor on the steering column, and it will basically pick up the steering angle of the wheels. We'll basically calculate what angle the wheels are at. They'll dynamically move with the actual steering angle.